Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix issue unable to upload OTF font file even with we-edit allow unfiltered upload in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in media library. Now select file. Now you don't see any OTF file format. Now you see custom file, select and then select all files. Now you see all OTF file. Now close. Now go to cpanel wp-config.php file. So in wp-config.php file, we edit code define allow unfiltered upload true, but after edit this code, OTF file not uploaded in WordPress. So we are going to fix it by adding custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wp-code. So this is plugin wp-code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type. Drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. In code we edit OTF file format. Now you see. And then you see font OTF. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to media page again, refresh the page. Now click on add new media file and then you see select file, so click on it. Now you see OTF file. Now select uploading. Now you see file is uploaded in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.